Alrighty hosses, in this video I am going to show you how to set up Metasploitable. Now remember, this is the testing environment that we can use if we don't have access to a server, or if we're just testing a new tool and we want to play around with it and we don't actually want to mess something up that we own. So go to this website right here, or if you just type Metasploitable 2 into Google, it's going to be the first thing that pops up. And you're going to want to download the latest version. So click this right here and it's going to download, and I already have it downloaded, so right there. I didn't want to have you guys wait during the video, so here it is for me, and it's going to come in a zip file. So if you right click, you can hit extract all, and we'll just extract it right here. Looking good. Dun, 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 dun. Now from here, all you have to do is hit open a virtual machine, and remember mine was on my desktop. Metasploitable 2, boom roasted, open, and there you go. So that's going to be compatible with VMware now. Now all we have to do is play it, and I copied it. So again, what this is doing is pretty much the equivalent of starting or making a new computer. So what we're going to do is we're going to host the server on my personal computer that I'm sitting at right now. And I'll show you guys how to log into it and get the IP address as soon as this is done loading. And just a word of warning, you always want to run this on your own computer. Never run this on a live system. And also, if you guys have this on your laptop or a computer that you take to school or work, don't run it on that computer, because again, this is incredibly vulnerable. That's the point of it. It has a bunch of bugs that we can test. So you don't want to bring it into a network that anyone can access. So just like any computer, we need to log in, and the login name and the password is actually the same. That's MSF admin. Now I'm going to type the password again, and you guys aren't going to be able to see the password, but it's MSF admin. So there you go. We are now running this virtual machine, but the thing is, we need the IP address of this virtual machine. Why do we need that? Well, then whenever we go back in, see if I can pop it open. So then whenever we go back in Kali, oops, that was my Alright, so then whenever we go back in Kali, we can access it. So in order to get the IP address of it, if you type ifconfig, then it's going to pop it up right here. So this is 192.168.152.129. Now, just to show you guys something cool, I'm probably going to forget that. If you go nmap -f, what was it, 192.168.152.129. 152.129. I'm going to run a port scan of that virtual machine and hit enter, let it do its thing, and look at this. So on Metasploitable 2, look at all the stuff that is open, all of these ports right here, and these are different points of attack for us. So in the upcoming tutorials, and by the way, whenever you're in your virtual machine, your mouse is going to be owned by this virtual machine, and if you ever want to get back to your host system, which is your main operating system, you can hold down Control Alt, and then it'll move your mouse out. So if you guys, are like, alright, how do I get back to my normal computer? That's how you do it, Control A. And you also just want to leave this running in the background. So once it's up and running, just minimize it, and we're going to have a server running. Beautiful. So now we can go back in Kali, and in the upcoming tutorials, I'm going to be showing you guys a bunch of different cool exploits and things that you can do, and it's going to be pretty sweet, so I will see you then.